Right now, we're seeing a noteworthy spike in sentiment around software, with a score of plus 0.05 and momentum at plus 0.33. This indicates a significant shift compared to historical data, suggesting that developers are feeling more optimistic about software trends than they have in a while. Our Sentiment API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, helping you understand what's driving this shift. For instance, if you're developing a new software tool, you can leverage this data to identify which features resonate with users, or to pinpoint emerging trends that could guide your roadmap. This is a key moment to tap into those insights and adjust your strategy accordingly. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs to dive deeper into how our API can help you make sense of this sentiment data.